Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking us on how to draft and sew this trading Bubu dress that have a cow shape um, at the sides, and it's going to be a sleeve, a slim sleeve. Okay, not the poof sleeve, but a slim sleeve, and I'm going to be embellishing it with this embellishment. Okay, so you can embellish your own with any type of embellishment. So let's go into the tutorial class. If this is what you're going to uh, love to learn, you can just join in. Then let's go. The first thing we are going to be doing, like we all know, we are going to be marking out the starting points, and as you can see, I've already done that. So the next thing is to mark out our neck line, the depth and the width. In this tutorial, the neckline we are going to be using is a canoe neckline. So obviously it's going to be I'm going to be taking the same measurement both for the front panel and the back panel. Okay, so I'm going to be taking from for the back and front panel, both of them are going to be the same measurement. So I will be taking 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Okay, both at the back and front panel. The next thing we are going to be curving it with this French curve. We'll curve it with the French curve like so. So from that same point, we're going to be going, we are taking the full length. I'm going to be using the full length of the dress. I'm going to be using the full length of the dress. Maybe it's like so. I will just draft it down. Okay, then I'll take 1 centimeter downwards. I'm taking a 1 centimeter downwards. 1 centimeter downwards, remember, because our shoulder is not straight, it is slant. So we just join it together. So from that end now, we are taking our armhole measurement. So the armhole measurement I'm going to be taking is just 8 centimeter because it's a slim hand. It's a very small handhole. Okay, with stitching allowance. Then I will go in by, I will first of all join it together. Then I will go in by 3 centimeter. Then I will measure out my shoulder to hip measurement. My shoulder to hip measurement is 25. My shoulder to knee measurement is 39. My shoulder to hip measurement is 25 and my shoulder to knee measurement is 29. Then I will take the full length of the dress, including sewing allowance. Now from the knee measurement now, I'll rule a straight line. From there, I'll measure my hip circumference, which is 13 centimeter. So I'll be adding just 2 centimeters at the bottom of the knee area. I have 30 centimeters, so I'll be adding 3 centimeters to it. Then I also take this one all to the length of the dress. So I will join them together. So we are going to be having an opening at the down. So I'm going to be using 30 centimeter, or let's say 15 centimeter. This will be, it will be the opening at the side. Then from there, from this knee measurement, we'll be going up by 4 centimeters. Then you draft it up, just join it up. From there, I'm going to be drafting. I'm going to be joining the armhole all the way down to this 4 centimeters that I brought upward from the knee area. Okay, so what you do is you just draw your cow shape neatly. Okay, like so. Just draw it like it, depending on how wide you want it to be. So you can make it wider, you can bring it more closer, you can make it wider depending. So this is what I'm going to be drafting. So that's all for the drafting. Then we are going to be cutting it out, and I will be showing you how I'm going to be embellishing the fabric. So next thing is for us to cut it out. Before cutting, I will be adding 0 centimeter, half centimeter all the way to the neck area. Okay, so I'll be joining it when I do that. Okay, so I'll be cutting from there. So I'll be cutting everything together. Remember that we have the same neck measurement for the front panel and the back panel, so we'll be cutting everything together. Okay, so I'm cutting the both the front panel and the back panel together because it's a canoe neck shape. Okay, so that is it. Like I told you, you don't forget to notch the area where you're going to have the opening, the side opening. Okay, I've already notched mine, so you make sure you notch it so that when you open it up, you're able to know where to join it. Okay, so that is it. So now I'm going to be opening it, and I will be explaining to you what I'm going to be doing with the embellishing accessory. I will be designing it with these accessories. Okay, so it's just simple. Like we usually know, I'm going to cut out the facing for the both front panel and the back panel. Cut out the facing for this and the facing for the other panel. Then the next thing now, we open it up after attaching the facing for the front and back panel. You now open it up. I just want to make this video a very short video so that it don't look as if it's long. So when you open it up, obviously the front and the back are going to be the same thing, because they have the same neck and opening, so it's going to be the same thing. So for you to differentiate the front panel from the back panel is this embellishing that we're going to be using these accessories. What you do, you just spread it and just you can sew it around, or you just use a gum to attach it to it. You can just put it anyhow that you really want it, and you are good to go, and the dress will be ready. So I'm going to be doing doing the sewing outside the video, and I will come back and show you the finish work. So mind you are joining the hand together, you fold it. Okay, just fold the hand inward and sew it and join it to the other side of the panel. So this is what practically we're going to be seeing. When I'm done with it, this is what I'm going to be seeing. We can also join it with this Emmy gum. You can use Emmy gum to also attach this if you want, or you sew it, but I'm going to be sewing it. Okay, I will be sewing it with a needle and attaching all of them, attaching it with a needle just to at the middle. As you can see, there's a middle there. I'll just use a needle to attach it with a matching thread. I'm using a needle to attach this one with a matching thread. Okay, so that is it for today. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.
In the mouth also.